Welcome to OH&F Health and Fitness, Corporate Wellness Solutions. Today, we will be diving deeper into understanding how myofascial release has the ability to decrease absenteeism and increase or improve productivity. We will then conclude with a 60-second call to action challenge that can be done at your desk or within your workspace. For over 13 years, I've helped everyday people break free from pain and limitations. Not with quick fixes, but by unlocking the root cause, restrictive myofascial tightness. Tight muscle fascia doesn't just limit movement, it steals potential. Poor squat form, compromised running mechanics, these aren't just bad habits. They're often signals of restrictions holding the body back. Tons of employees in today's workforce can't even bend without pain. They go to the gym to try to combat some of these, and they're met with knee pain, back pain, and or shoulder pain. Many employees even miss work because of back spasms. Chronic tightness leads to chronic problems, absenteeism, burnout, and frustration. But when tight muscle fascia is released, the body reboots. Take a look at these runners. Before OH&F Health and Fitness, each step sends shockwaves through their joints. After targeted myofascial release, they're not just moving better, they're working longer, they're sleeping deeper, and they're thriving.
In stage 1, subject is unable to lift up her foot without any support. With support, you can see in stage 2 and 3, she's able to. And finally, after the intervention in stage 4, she's able to fully support herself on one leg without it.
This isn't just about flexibility. It's about freedom to work, to perform, and to live without your body fighting you. Business owners, HR leaders, and wellness coordinators, are you ready to help your employees rewrite their stories? Contact me now. There's still one question that needs to be answered. Yes, myofascial release, also known as soft tissue manipulation, with OH&F Health and Fitness, can reduce absenteeism and improve productivity. All right, now it's time for our challenge. Today's challenge is the back extension stretch. All right, we're going to be standing up for this. Awesome. For today's back extension stretch, we're going to take our hands, put it on our sides. We're going to place our thumbs. We're going to place it on our lower back. All right? We're going to press our thumbs forward, not too aggressively. We're just going to press it forward while we open our chest up. We're going to stretch out our abdominal region, and we're going to have our arms flare back or our elbows flare back. We're going to breathe in through our nose, exhale out through our mouth while we hold this for 15 seconds. We're going to take off. We're going to move our thumbs, slide it up about 3 to 4 inches, and do the same thing, all right? And we're going to be touching our middle back this time. 15 seconds there. We're going to come back to our lower back, 15 seconds, and 15 seconds, all right? That's 60 seconds. Let's get yourself situated. Let's come on, stand on up. We're getting started in 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the chest up and breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Move it up. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Thumbs right back down, lower back, inhale. Exhale. You should be feeling it open up a little more, inhale. Exhale. It should be a bit easier to get down. Inhale. Exhale to get forward. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Last one right here, middle back. We're in the middle back. Inhale. Exhale. We should feel an even deeper stretch. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. All right. Phenomenal job with the back extension stretch. We should be feeling much more relaxed in our mid and lower back region. And it's possible that you may feel a slight stretch in your abdominal region. That's perfectly normal. Amazing work today. Amazing work with the back extension stretch. You should be feeling much looser in your middle back and your lower back. All right. You probably feel a little bit of your core engaged as well, and that's perfectly normal. All right. Phenomenal. For more actionable solutions, be sure to follow me on my LinkedIn, my Instagram, and of course subscribe to my website and my YouTube channel. Once again, business owners, HR leaders, and wellness coordinators, don't wait until your employees are in pain to take action. I'm now offering exclusive on-site wellness workshops to bring my proven techniques directly to your workplace. Simply DM me or click the link in my bio to reserve your spot now. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let's build healthier workplaces together.